Sandra Crow, registered holistic nutritionist. Today is January 1st. So this is the day where maybe it's just me, maybe it's everybody, but we start to feel a little blah and bloated from having overindulged a little bit over the holidays. Can't be just me, right? And it's also the day I woke up today and I was like, I need a green smoothie. This is what I need for my day today. I often get asked for green smoothie recipes, but to be honest, I don't use a recipe. I kind of just use what I have in my fridge and my freezer. If you were to look in my freezer, what you would see would be lots of freezer bags filled with all kinds of fruit and vegetables. If I have something in my vegetable drawer, whether it be romaine lettuce, celery, cucumber, something that looks like it's starting to go a little bit wilted, a little bit mushy, I'm not going to throw it out because I generally buy organic produce. That stuff's expensive. So I chop it up and I put it in a freezer bag, and then it's going to go into my next smoothie. So for today's smoothie, I'm just going to pull out some of the bags that I have in my freezer. So if we look what I have in my freezer, I have lots of bananas. I've always got lots of frozen bananas. I have here some clementines already peeled. It looks like I've got both red apple and green apple. I've got lots of spinach and I have a bunch of cucumber. So I'm literally just going to put a little bit of all of this into my blender. I like to always add a little bit of healthy fat to whatever kind of green juice I'm making because it helps keep me full a little bit longer and it helps balance hormones, especially in women. So here I have some hemp hearts. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of hemp hearts and then just enough water to cover up all of the produce that I have in there. By the way, the secret to making a green smoothie, we want it to taste good, and if it's all vegetables, it can be a little tough to drink. The key is you want to have about double the green produce to the fruit. So while I had a little bit of apples and oranges in there, I had a lot of cucumber and a lot of spinach. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of honey just to give it a little bit more sweetness so that it tastes delicious, and I want to drink a giant glass of this green smoothie. Well, cheers to good health and to lots of happiness. Remember to subscribe to get more great recipes like this, and check out my website, fitkitchendiva.com, and there you can get a free 3-day sugar-free menu challenge with all the recipes in the shopping list to go with it. Thanks and stay healthy.